Kickflip Billy here. So we had a homeowner planting their plant here. They accidentally hit a sprinkler line. As you can see, they hit it with the shovel pretty good. I'm gonna show you how to repair that. So once you cut back where all the sludge is, you're gonna want to cut it back to where it's a clean pipe. Keep all that dirt and debris out of there. How's it going, Chris?
What's up, dude?
Good. So get your hands dirty. Take our clamps, put these clamps on each end. So 1, 2. And slide this in. Slide your big blues in there. They twist on there, so